Hello everyone, I'm Sugat Pawar from Department of ENTC Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. In this video, I'm going to explain the working principle of IC74LS85.
This IC74LS85, it is a 4-bit binary comparator IC. It will compare the 4-bit binary numbers, let us say binary number input A and binary input B. This A contains 4 bits, that is A0, A1, A2, A3. A0 is a LSB, A3 is a MSB, B0 is a LSB and B3 is MSB. This IC is a total 16-pin IC. Out of 16 pin, 8 are the input pins, 3 output pin, that is A less than B, A equals to B, A greater than B. 3 cascading input pins are there, that is A less than B, A equals to B and A greater than B. See, this is the logical diagram, logical circuit. So here I have connected A less than B and A greater than B cascading input to ground and A equals to B cascading input to VCC. What is the reason behind this? I'll tell you the reason. First of all, we'll see the function table of this particular IC. See, how does this IC work? First of all, it will compare the MSB bit. See, A3 is a MSB of A, input A, and B3 is a MSB of input B. So it will compare A3 with B3. If A3 is greater than B3, then no need to compare rest of the bits. It will show the output A greater than B is high. This H indicates high and L indicates low. These two outputs are low. If A3 is less than B3, again no need to compare rest of the bits. These are don't care, means no need to compare. We can put any value of this A2, B2, either 0 or 1, but final result will be A is less than B. Now what if the first bit, that is MSB bit of both the numbers are same? A3 equals to B3, then it will compare next bit, that is A2 with B2. And again no need to compare the rest of the bits. It will show if A2 is greater than B2, then it will show A is greater than B. If A2 is less than B2, then it will show A is less than B. Then if first two bits are same, that is A3 equals to B3, A2 equals to B2, and if A1 is greater than B1, then output is A greater than B. If A1 is less than B1, then output is A less than B. Again, if first three bits are same, then it will compare fourth bit, that is LSB bit. If A0 is greater than B0, then it will show the result, that is A greater than B is high. And if A0 is less than B0, then it shows the result A less than B is high. Now, if all the bits are same, that is A3 equals to B3, A2 equals to B2, A1 equals to B1 and A0 equals to B0, then it shows LLH, that is A equals to B is high and other two outputs are low. See, if you see the first 8 conditions, in that the output is not depends on the cascading inputs. Whatever the value of cascading input, that is either 0 or 1, you will get the output with the help of what type of input you are providing. But for last condition, this output is totally depends on the cascading input A equals to B. Here A equals to B must be high, that is must be connected to VCC. That's why I have connected this A equals to B cascading input to VCC. A less than B and A greater than B cascading input, it is cross mark, that is don't care. Means you can connect these two cascading inputs either to VCC or ground, nothing will happen, but A equals to B must be connected to VCC.
Thank you.